6. Right? Now, AVK Ganesh, you tell me 8 minus 6 is how much?
12, ma'am.
8 minus 6 is 12.
2, ma'am.
Yeah. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we'll write 2 here. And in tens place, number is 1 and there is no other number. So we will copy that one as it is. So what is the answer, AVK Ganesh?
1, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
Yeah. So answer is 12 now. Now what we will do? We got answer as 12 and I said we will keep on subtracting this 6 till we get 0. So this time we'll be subtracting this 6 from 12 because we got answer 12. Okay? Yes. Adya, you tell me, is it possible to take away 6 from 2? Is this possible? So what we'll do?
We will take borrow.
Very good. So we will take borrow from the one which is in tens place. So we will cut this one will become 0. And what this 2 will become, Adya?
It will become 12 now.
Very good. So we will cut this 2 and we will make it 12 here. Now tell me, Adya, 12 minus 6 is?
6 now.
Very good. So children, 12 minus 6 is 6 and we will write 0 in tens place. Very good.
Answer is 6, ma'am.
Very good, Adya. Answer is 6. Now, again, we did not get 0 as the answer. So what we'll do, now we will write this 6. And from this 6, we will be subtracting 6. Why we are subtracting 6 every time? Because after division symbol, number is 6. Okay. So whatever is the number after division symbol, we will keep on subtracting that number till the time we get 0. Manvit, you tell me 6 minus 6 how much? Very good. If whenever we are subtracting same numbers, we'll always get answer as 0. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So now we are done with the question. Now finally we have got the answer 0, right? And I have told you that we'll keep on subtracting this 6 until we get 0, right? Okay, now what we have to do, we have to count the number of times we did subtraction. How many times we did subtraction, children? AVK Ganesh, look at your screen, please. How many times? 1, 2, and 3. How many times we did subtraction? 3 times we did subtraction. So what we will do, beside this question, we will make equal to symbol and we will write here 3. What I said that we did subtraction 3 times. That's why the answer is 3. So beside this question, we will put equal to sign and we will write answer there as 3. So 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, how we should do? You gave first one, no? Second one, how we should do?
Tanishka, I did not give first question as homework. And second one I'll be telling now. Okay?
Second one not, ma'am. First one only you written this first 18 minus 6 after that you gave 12 multiplication 2 cross.
No, that's not 12 multiplication, that's 12 minus 6.
How we should do, ma'am? Can you 1 second?
Okay. Yes, children, now look at your screen. Question was 18 divided by 6. We need to divide 18 by 6. All right. So what I said that whatever is the number after division symbol, you will subtract that number. So after division symbol, number was 6. So we will be subtracting this 6 from 18. Tanishka, now listen carefully. Okay. So first we have subtracted this 6 from 18. We got answer as 12. Now, whatever answer we will get, we will write that answer. So answer was 12. So we wrote here 12 minus 6. Okay. Okay, Tanishka.
Then middle multiplication 2 cross is there, ma'am.
That's not multiplication. I have written there 1 and then I have cut that 1. Because we are taking borrow from there.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now Nitya Sri, please read second question. 14.
14 minus
No, that's division symbol. 14 divided by
14 divided by
what is the number?
ma'am 14 divided by 2.
Yes, so that is 14 divided by 2. So this time what we have to do? We have to subtract 2 from 14 until we get 0. So first of all, we'll write here 14. Okay, we'll keep on subtracting 2 until we get answer 0. So we will subtract 2 from 14. Okay, so you will write here 14 minus 2. Yeah, okay children, we are back now. There was some network issue. I'll share my screen again. Yeah, so we were doing the second bit. So question was 14 divided by 2. What I said, we'll be keep on subtracting this 2 from the answers till the time we get 0. So we'll write here 14 minus 2. Okay, we'll write here 14 minus 2. Now Dhriti Rathi, you tell me 4 minus 2 how much?
2 ma'am.
Yes, so 4 minus 2 is 2, and what we'll write in tens place?
Ma'am, we have to write 1.
So what is the answer?
12 ma'am.
Yes, so answer is 12. So 14 minus 2 is 12. Now what we'll do, we'll write this 12 and we'll subtract 2 again from this 12. Why we are subtracting 2 again and again? Because after division symbol number is 2. So this time we will write 12 minus 2. Okay. Kushal, you tell me now what are the numbers in ones place?
Place
This
1 ma'am.
no. Question is 12 minus 2. We always start from left hand side. So left, what are the numbers in ones place?
2.
2 and 2. Tell me 2 minus 2.
2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0.
Yes, 2 minus 2 is 0 and next number will be what
1.
we write in tens place. Yeah. Next number will be
1.
1. So what is the answer?
1 10.
Yeah, answer is 10 now. Answer is 10. So we will write this 10 and again we will subtract 2 from this 10 now because till now we didn't get 0.
Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
Kushal?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, Bilvika, you tell me, is it possible to take away 2 from 0?
No ma'am.
What we'll do now?
Take away ma'am.
We will take borrow. What we'll do? We'll take.
Borrow.
Okay, so what this 1 will become? We will cut this 1 and this 1 will become?
0.
Very good. And what did 0 will become in 1's place?
10.
Very good. So we will cut the 0 and the 0 will become 10 now. Now tell me, Bilvika, 10 minus 2 how much?
8 ma'am.
Very good. So we'll write here 8. And what we'll write in 10's place?
0 ma'am.
Very good. So what is the answer?
8 ma'am.
Very good. So answer is 8. Answer is 8, but till now we didn't get 0. So we will write this 8 here. And now we will be taking away 2 from this 8. So we'll write here 8 minus 2. Children, keep on writing answers, and whenever you have doubt, you know you can use raise hand option. Right? Azlan, you tell me now, is it possible to take away 2 from 8?
No.
No. Look at the question.
Yes.
Yeah, that's 8 minus 2. It is possible to take away 2 from 8. So tell me 8 minus 2 how much? Yes, Aslan. Huh? 8 minus 2 is?
8 minus 2 is 6.
Very good. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So we'll write here 6. Ashrita. Ashrita. Ashrita is not there. Advaita.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we will do? We got answer 6 as 6. What we will do now?
4, ma'am.
No, yeah. Answer is 4. That's correct. What we'll do? We will write 6 here. And then next will be, what will be the next number? 6 minus?
6 minus
Which number we should subtract?
2, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll write here 2. So this will be 6 minus 2. Now Advaita, tell me 6 minus 2 how much?
6 minus 2.
Let's take away 2, Advaita, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
4, ma'am.
So 6 minus 2 is 4. That's the right answer. So we'll write here 4. Akshay, now you tell me what we'll write next. Did we get 0?
No, ma'am.
So what we'll do now?
4 minus 2.
Very good. See children, till now we didn't get 0. So again we have to subtract this 2. This time we'll be subtracting this 2 from 0. So sorry, 2 from 4. So this is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is how much?
2.
Very good. So we'll write here 2. Ashrita, now you tell me what we'll write next. Ashrita, I'm unable to hear anything. No, I cannot. Ashrita, I'm sorry, but I can see that you are trying to speak something, but I'm unable to understand. I mean, I'm unable to hear. Please check your network. Okay. Ashwita Nalla, tell me what will be the next step? What we'll write next? Ashwita, please check your mic. Ashwita Nalla.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what we'll write next?
2
2.
minus 2.
Very good. Yes, children, till now we didn't get 0. So what we'll do again, we'll write that answer. Answer is 2. So we'll write here 2 minus 2. That's 2, okay? I'm using cursor. That's why I'm unable to write it in a proper way. Yeah. Ashwita, 2 minus 2 is?
0.
Very good. So finally we got answer as 0. So we are done with the question. Now we have to count the number of times we did subtraction. We have to count the number of times we did subtraction. Right? Okay. Riyansika? Riyansika?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you count and
Yes.
tell me how many times we did subtraction?
7.
Very good. Yes, children. That's the correct answer, Riyansika. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We did subtraction 7 times. So answer is 7. So we will write equal to symbol beside this question, and then after this equal to symbol, we'll write here 7. So answer is 7.
Very
good. Divided by 2 is equal to 7. Please write this answer quickly. Write this answer quickly, children. Okay. Now we'll do next question. I want you all to open page number 9 of your math course book. Open page number 9, write date and classwork on page number 9. And if there is anyone who has any doubt in this concept, please raise your hand. I'll explain again. After completing page number 9, we will do 2-3 more questions on this repeated subtraction, okay? We'll be doing 2-3 more questions on this repeated subtraction. For now, I want you all to open page number 9 of your math course book. Open page number 9, write date and classwork. Okay, so I'll clear this now. I repeat, this is page number 9 of your math course book. Okay. Akshaj, will you please read this question for us?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Alice has
Akshat,
18.
Akshat, sorry to interrupt in between. I want you to read question, that is draw pictures or symbols. Read from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Meghna,
Draw
please read down.
pictures.
Yes, Akshat, please continue. Symbols
Sim-
or symbols.
Symbols onto
Illustrate.
illustrate the questions given below. Also write the division sentence for each of the following.
Very good. So what we have to do, either we have to draw pictures or we can draw some symbols to illustrate the questions given below. We have to solve them. Okay. And then we have to write the division sentence for each of them. All right. Yes, Akshat. Now read that first question. Alice. Yes,
Alice
Srivas, please stop playing with that eraser. Akshat, just hold on. Just Srivas, can you stop playing? Please listen to the question. If you listen, I hope you'll understand. Stop playing. Yes, Akshat, please start.
Alice had 80 beads. She wanted to make bracelets with 6 beads on each bracelet. How many bracelets can she make?
Okay, Akshat, thank you so much. Thanks for reading this question. So the question is, Alice has 18 beads. She wants to make bracelets with 6 beads on each bracelet. How many bracelets can she make? Now, this is 18 beads are there. I hope you all know what are beads. Like we have necklace made up of beads also, right? So she wants to make bracelet. Bracelet is what girls wear on their wrist, right? So she wants to make bracelet with 6 beads on each bracelet. There should be 6 beads on each bracelet. Now they are asking how many bracelets can she make? I have told you to learn tables. So now today we are going to use those tables. Okay. So what we will do, keep on looking at your screen, children. We will draw a circle like this because bracelet is round in shape most of the time. So we'll draw a circle like this. Okay. We'll draw one circle. And according to the question, there should be 6 beads on each bracelet, right? So we will count and we will make 6 beads. So let us count and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. You have to make beads like this. Fine. So we are done with the first bracelet. Now we will Draw second bracelet. Okay. Again, we will count and make 6 beads. Let us count and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now we have already made 2 bracelets. Now let us count the total number of beads. Fine. So that we'll come to know how many more bracelets we need to make. Let us count. We'll start from the first bracelet and we'll count the total number of beads we have till now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till now we have 12 beads, right? And total number of beads were 18. Total number of beads were 18. Now let us try and make one more bracelet because we have used only 12 beads till now and we have to use 18 beads. So let us make one more bracelet with 6 beads and then we'll count the number of beads altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meghna, are you writing? 6. Meghna, done? So you don't have book with you? At least you can write somewhere in your rough notebook. Now children, let us count again all the beads. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Right? So we have used all 18 beads. So how many bracelets we got? Misbah, can you count and tell me how many bracelets we got? Yes, how many? Misbah, how many bracelets are there? Look at your screen. How many bracelets are there?
3.
Yes. We got 3 bracelets, children. You can count them easily. How many are there? 1, 2, and 3. So we got 3 bracelets. So if we have to use 18 beads and in one bracelet, if there are 6 beads, then we'll get 3 bracelets. So the total number of beads were 18. So we'll write here 18. You will write this 18 in this blank. The blank space is there. There you will write 18. Okay. Now, how many beads are there on each bracelet? On each bracelet, there are 6 beads. So we'll write here 6 after this division symbols. After this division symbol. And how many bracelets we got? We got here 3 bracelets. So after equal to symbol, we'll write here 3. And in the next line also, we'll write here 3 because we got here 3 bracelets. Okay. Lohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read second bit. Mary.
Mary had 14 stamps. She wanted to put.
She wants to put.
She wants to put her stamps in a book with 4 stamps on each page. How many pages will have stamps?
Very good. Thanks for reading. Yes, children. The question is, Mary has 24 stamps. There's one girl, Mary. She has 24 stamps and she wants to put her stamps in a book with 4 stamps on each page. it's clearly mentioned here that with 4 stems on each page. On each means on one page there should be only 4 stems. Okay, there should be only 4 stems on each page. How many pages will have stems? We have to find out. Okay, so this time we have to divide these 24 stems. We have to divide these 24 stems. Now let us start dividing them. We'll try to make one page like this. Okay, let us make 2-3 pages first. I want you all to look at your screen. Supratik, please look at your screen. If you people are not at all paying attention, you won't be able to understand. Okay, oh, fine. So I have made 4 pages first. Fine. Now, according to the question, there should be 4 stems on each page. 4 stems on each page, right? So let us make 4 stem. 1, 2, 3, and 4th one I am drawing down. Okay. Now again, how many stems you have to make on each page? On each page there should be 4 stems. So count and make 4 stems. 2, 3, and 4. Again on the 3rd page, we don't know how many pages we will require. So first of all, we'll make 4 pages and then we'll draw number of stems. So 1, and on each page there should be 4 stems, not more than that. Count and then draw number of stems. 2, 3, and 4. Again 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Srimant, can you count what are the total number of stems?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, ma'am.
Yeah, we have drawn 16 stems till now. And according to the question, how many stems should be there? Total number of stems were 24. According to the question, total number of stems were how much, Srimant? Yes, Srimant, according to the question, total number of stems were 24. How much, Srimant? Srimant, how much? How many?
We got 16.
According to the question, there are 24 stems. How many? 24 stems. So we have to divide them, right? So till now we got only 16 stems. This means we need more stems and more pages, right? So let us make 2 more pages. Okay. And then again, draw 4 stems on each page. 2, count and then draw, children. 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now Tanishka, count and tell me total number of stems.
Stems, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
So finally you got 24 stems. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this means what we will do, we have divided 24 stems. So we will write here 24 first. And on each page, how many are there? On each page, there are 4 stems. So after division symbol, we will write here 4. Tanishka, how many pages are there now? Number of pages.
Number of pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, ma'am.
Yes, number of pages are 6. So after this equal to symbol, we'll write here 6. And in the next line also, in the blank space, you will write here 6. So we will get stems on 6 pages. Okay. Now, next question. C.A. Shreyan, please read third bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Mohan.
Mohan has 15 boxes in all. He wants to stack 50 boxes in
5 boxes.
5 boxes in each shelf. How many shelves does he require?
He require. Very good. Thank you, Shreyan. Thanks for reading this question. Okay. So the question is, Mohan has 15 boxes in all. 15 boxes in all means total number of boxes are 15. And he wants to stake 5 boxes in each shelf. He wants to put 5 boxes in each shelf. In each means in one shelf, there should be 5 boxes. Okay. Now the question is, how many shelves does he require? How many shelves does he require if we want to put his 15 boxes, and there should be 5 boxes in each shelf? Now let us make shelves first. Okay. Let us make 2 shelves first. We don't know how many shelves he will require, so we'll start making 2 shelves first. Okay. I repeat, I am using cursor here. You are using pencil. Your work should be neat and clean. Okay. Don't compare your work with mine. Fine. So we have made here 2 shelves, and in one shelf, how many boxes should be there? 5 should be there. So let us start making 5 boxes in each shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let us make 5 boxes in another shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.